Welcome back once again to Chiropractic First of Rockford. I'm Dr. Kyle Olson, and today I want to spend a few minutes talking to you about your health, but also the health of your children, the loved ones in your family, the little ones, whether they're just a couple months old or they're into their teenage years. They have a spine just like you. And so one of the things that oftentimes gets overlooked is as parents begin to receive care, as they start to see the dramatic changes that can be done for their health when their spine is corrected. A lot of times parents, sometimes they overlook their children. They think my children don't have pain. Really they don't have many issues, they just have the normal kids things, they get sick once in a while. You know, things that we've come to accept as just normal in our society, but are actually reflective of a body that's not functioning properly. And so while we talk a lot about having children adjusted and making sure that they're healthy from a young age, there are a lot of questions that people have, and they rightfully have, about how come a child needs to be adjusted? I didn't have these problems when I was young, why is it an issue now? You know, these are all very valid questions, but the fact of the matter is, whether a spine is big or small, whether it's 60 years old or just 8 years old, that same spine has to protect the entire nervous system for that child or that individual, and any interference that occurs is going to be damaging to them. In fact, the only difference between the problems that a child sees and the problems that an adult sees is oftentimes just the amount of time that any pinch or subluxation is left in the spine. And so the greatest gift you can give a child is not candy, it's not the food they like, it's actually making sure that they're healthy. And it's making sure that in the future they won't even have to know some of the problems, the pains, the diseases. They won't even have to know what those are because they never had to experience them, because they were maintained from the beginning. Now, I say this information, and this is all backed by scientific studies, but sometimes it's good to have an external source, a national source that reaffirms it. And so I want to point your direction to a wonderful article on CNN.com. We've been sharing this in our office. It's from CNN.com. You can search it on Google by typing that. And the name of the article is "The Top 10 Reasons Why Parents Should Take Their Children to a Chiropractor." And what I want to do is go through those 10 reasons. Now, because most children don't have lifetime aches and pains, and it's most of the reason why people come to a chiropractor, and rightfully so, but they do have other issues that are more unique to a child. Now, for instance, the number one reason is development of the spine and nervous system. Children grow at an accelerated rate, especially in their early teens. And so when that happens, if there's any problem with the way the spine is aligned, it becomes accentuated as the muscles become bigger and stronger and the bones continue to fuse with one another. The second reason they list is because the spine, just like in adults, is the only way that the brain can communicate to the body. So any pinch that's there, no matter how small, is going to affect not just pain maybe, but where that nerve goes in the body. The other issue is that it increases immunity, so that's number 3. In fact, it's been shown that after an adjustment for an adult or a child, you have increased white blood cell count, so it helps you fight off things like the seasonal flu, colds that come around, and it just gives you an overall ability to battle off and fight anything that you're exposed to in the environment. Now, for a very young child, the number 4 reason is because it can help with breastfeeding issues. If there's a child that has issues with latching at a very young age, oftentimes if there's a pinch in the nerves in the neck, it's uncomfortable for them to be put in a position where they have to crane or strain their neck in one direction, and it can lead to issues with breastfeeding. The other issue, number 5, with a very young child is colic or crying issues. Again, it goes back to if all they have is pain, even no matter how small it is, if all they're able to do to communicate is cry, simply removing the interference on that nerve, relieving pain, helps with those issues. Number 6 is digestion. Just like with adults, those nerves all throughout the spine affect different levels of digestion, so making sure they're getting the best quality food is a big step, but making sure that the body can digest it and use it properly as they grow is key and vital. The 7th reason is because it helps children learn and concentrate better. Increased blood flow to the brain by taking pressure off of the top bones and nerves in the neck. It also allows them to sit more comfortably in chairs at school so they're not as distracted as easy. Things that are going to benefit them when they're in this young age going to school and learning from their peers and their teachers to get the most quality. Number 8 is that it does affect with good posture. It gives better posture. It's easier to sit up, it's easier to lay down properly. And especially in today's age where they're looking at tablets, cell phones, computers more and more, it's important to have that reaffirming proper posture so it doesn't lead to more issues down the road. Better posture also helps with things like breathing, so it can help reduce allergies like allergies, asthma, breathing issues. It also can help with bedwetting at night if they're laying in a better position without pressure on their hips and low back that control the bladder. Number 9 is better sleep. Just like with adults, one of the most significant improvements we see with somebody who has poor sleep, even after 1 or 2 adjustments, is better sleep. Better quality of sleep, better dreaming, getting into those deep layers where you have dreams. That's very important for a young child who needs more sleep than even an adult. And the 10th reason they give is overall energy. I mean, how many people have an adjustment and they feel like they're more energized to go out in the day? They feel like they're looser, they're easier going. It produces more oxygen, it gets more oxygen into the cells of the body, it gives you more energy. Now, these are just the top 10 reasons. There's really many more. Just like in the adults, your nerves control every part of your body, but if you know a child, either in your family or a loved one's family or a coworker's family, that you feel is heading down the wrong path with any of these issues, please ensure that you have them checked by a qualified chiropractor. They're going to be able to help in ways that many people don't even understand, but it's going to take care of the issues now and set them up for a lifetime of health. Have a wonderful week, and I'll see you soon.